Welcome, dear creatives. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make this fascinator that is showing on your screen right now. It is a crinoline fascinator. I call it Viforma Mind Sunshine Fascinator. Yes, it's a request I got from one of us. So just watch how I'm going to achieve this. So the materials you need are crinoline, the big size, 20 inches. You need your needle and thread, matching color. You need your sunshine flower. You need your scissors. And then just follow my lead. So if you watch this video till the end, I have a gift for you. Okay? Now you will not even know the gift. You don't know how beautiful this gift is until you watch till the end. I did not say you should forward though, just watch till the end. Okay? Now let's start making this fascinator. I'm going to fold the fascinator towards the center. I'll fold one end to the center and fold the other end to the center. This my center that has some glue is because I had used this particular crinoline before. And since I just wanted to show you how to achieve this, I had to lose it and reuse it. Okay. So I have the ends of my crinoline already tied, it frays. So if this is not your first time of watching my video, then it's not new to you that crinoline frays. Okay, so now I'm going to tie this. I have a video on how to make your bow, your crinoline bow, without using any needle, without stitching. You can watch that video by clicking on the link that is showing on your screen right now. Yeah. So, but then I'm showing you how I was able to achieve this particular one. Now I'm going to just tie this crinoline bow that I have formed and make sure that it is very firm while tying. Okay, so keep watching and learning. Remember to practicalize. If you have any question, please drop in the comment section. I'll do my best to answer. And then if this is your first time of stopping by, please subscribe to my channel. You're welcome to my channel. Turn on the notification 14 so you won't miss out on my weekly DIY videos that I drop every Wednesday by 3 p.m. Now, this is what I'm doing. Watch closely. The side of my flower, I will attach it to the side of the crinoline bow. Okay, I'm not putting it directly on it. I hope you understand. Just watch closely and see how I'm going to achieve the stitching of this my sunflower onto my crinoline bow. So if this is not your first time of stopping by, thank you so much for coming back. Please remember to subscribe. Please turn on the notification button so you will be notified each time I drop a new DIY video. Okay? So if you've been watching this stitching closely, you will understand that I'm trying to use my some parts of my sunflower to cover up the under part. That's the other side of my crinoline. I hope you understand. This part that is showing now, I'm trying to use some parts of my flower to cover up while I stitch. Okay? I hope you understand. Yeah. So please like this video, comment, share. Feel free to do your practicals and send to me. You can contact me via the number that is showing on your screen right now. I would love to see what you made. This is easy to make, okay? So I'll be expecting lots of your practicals. So what I'm doing here now is to properly attach my Alice band onto my fascinator, my crinoline sunshine fascinator. So you need to be careful while doing that because sometimes your thread can get hooked probably at the front part of your fascinator or even under. Like mine now, I tried removing it, it got hooked. And then if you do not check on time, you will just realize maybe at the end of your stitching that there's an error and then to correct it might just be an issue. So please, you need to check while doing your stitching. Now, if you have watched up to this point, I have a gift for you. I said it before. Uh, Congratulations. So here is the gift. I will give you 50% discount on any of my trainings, on any of Vivoma Mind's fascinator making training that you choose to learn. You will get 50% discount. Now, this offer is just for October alone, okay? So it's better you hop in now while the offer lasts, okay? Just tell me you've watched this video till the end by sending me a screenshot of this particular part of the video. And then I'll give you access. You just have to pay 50% out of the training you choose to pick. So the available trainings are showing on your screen right now. Feel free to contact me through the WhatsApp number that is also showing on your screen. Grab this opportunity now and thank you for watching.